Welcome to this guide on recruiting specialist solar panel installers for large-scale construction projects in the UK. This video provides a complete overview of how to build an expert installation team. The UK solar construction industry is currently experiencing significant growth, driven by ambitious net zero targets. To meet this surging demand, construction firms need to focus on scaling their specialist solar teams effectively. It is important to note that standard electrical qualifications often do not cover the specific complexities of photovoltaic systems. Hiring the right skills is essential to avoid costly project rework and potential compliance failures. Large-scale commercial projects require more than just individual hires. You need to recruit complete, coordinated crews, including project managers, supervisors, and inspectors, to deliver the necessary scale and speed. Technical expertise is crucial. Essential skills for your team include solar panel mounting, electrical wiring, roof safety, cable management, familiarity with testing equipment, and system commissioning. Compliance protects your project. Always verify every certification, such as MCS accreditation, NICEIC registration, and working at height training before any installer steps on site to ensure warranties and insurance remain valid. Safety must be a top priority on every installation. This includes utilizing full harness systems, proper scaffolding, strict PPE compliance, regular safety inspections, and clear emergency procedures. Effective workforce planning should begin months before construction. By mapping your project phases and building a recruitment timeline, you should aim to start your hiring process 8 to 12 weeks before the launch date. Finding specialists is challenging due to the significant skills shortage and intense competition. Early recruitment and strong employer branding are the best solutions to secure the top talent for your projects. Partnering with recruitment experts can save time and reduce risks. They offer access to passive candidates, pre-screened qualifications, faster hiring, and full compliance management for your workforce. Do not rely on CVs alone. Implement a multi-stage technical screening process that includes qualification checks, technical interviews, practical skills assessments, reference checks, and site trial days. Commercial experience matters. You should prioritize candidates who have proven success with warehouses, solar farms, industrial buildings, and high-capacity projects that require strict grid compliance. Build complete installation teams by balancing your crew with supervisors, electricians, installers, laborers, and quality inspectors. Each role is essential for efficient and safe project delivery. Recruiting early is critical to avoiding delays. Follow a structured 8 to 12-week timeline for your recruitment process to mitigate the risks associated with rushed hiring and budget overruns. Finally, expand your talent pool by recruiting across the UK. Nationwide access provides the best selection of qualified installers, helping you successfully deliver your solar projects. When planning your project, you must decide between temporary or permanent teams. Temporary teams are ideal for project-based work, offering flexible scaling and quick mobilization, while permanent teams excel at building institutional knowledge and maintaining brand loyalty. Thorough vetting is non-negotiable. Every candidate must have verified CSCS cards, up-to-date certifications, a clear employment history, professional references, proof of right to work, and DBS checks where required. Vetting protects your project and reputation. Experienced crews deliver projects up to 40% faster. By reducing mistakes, optimizing installation sequences, and improving problem-solving on complex roofs, an experienced team ensures higher first-time pass rates on inspections. Maintain high standards by inspecting every installation. Key quality control processes include pre-installation surveys, alignment verification, connection checks, thorough electrical testing, and post-installation monitoring to ensure long-term system performance. On large solar projects, effective communication is vital. Utilize daily toolbox talks, two-way radios, digital platforms for tracking, a clear chain of command, regular progress meetings, and defined issue escalation paths to minimize errors. Modern construction management tools are essential for digital project oversight. Use these platforms to track attendance, monitor tasks, maintain photo documentation of every stage, manage compliance checklists, and report progress against your schedule. Commercial solar installations directly support the UK's green transition. Specialist installers are essential for achieving energy cost reductions, meeting BREEAM and ESG targets, and lowering carbon emissions for every project. Recruit smarter to avoid costly errors. Don't hire on price alone. Ignore references or overlook cultural fit. Always start hiring 8 to 12 weeks early and have a clear onboarding plan to ensure your team is ready. Reliable staffing prevents downtime. Maintain a 10 to 15% buffer. Leverage recruitment partnerships. Cross-train your workers. Keep standby installers for emergencies, and plan for weather contingencies to keep projects on schedule. To expand your workforce quickly, leverage recruitment partnerships, standardize your induction processes, utilize modular team structures, and invest in supervisor development. Establishing clear KPIs will help you retain your best talent. The future of solar is bright, with significant growth projected through 2030 and beyond. As battery storage integration creates new opportunities, the specialists you recruit today will be the ones who power the UK's energy transition tomorrow. Preparation is key. Follow these 5 steps. Define team structure. Set high standards. Build partnerships with agencies. Create a strong onboarding program. And maintain a qualified pipeline. Preparation today delivers success tomorrow. Use this checklist for recruitment success. Verify certifications. Implement safety protocols. Prioritize commercial project experience. Structure teams for balanced work, and ensure full compliance. Tick every box to deliver your project effectively. Building the right team is an investment that pays dividends. Prioritizing skilled, specialist installers leads to safer sites, higher quality results, and a competitive advantage in the growing solar construction market. Thank you for watching this guide. If you are looking to find qualified teams for your next UK construction project, contact us today to access our network of certified solar installation professionals.